Hi, it's Mary with the Great Outdoors University. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I thought we might get ready for the weekend and make our own solar oven so we can cook some delicious food with the help of the sun outside and have some fun while we're doing it. All you will need is a pizza box or some type of box that you might have that's sort of shallow, it's not real deep. And you're going to take very carefully, you might need your parents' help with this, but you're going to cut a flap in the top of the box, leaving a border. So you want to leave a little bit of an edge around the perimeter of the box, so on three sides, so that you create a flap that you can open up and close. This flap you're going to cover with aluminum foil, as you can see that I did. The aluminum foil is actually going to reflect the sunlight, and you'll adjust the top, the flap, so that hopefully you'll direct that sunlight into the box where your food is, so that'll help to cook it. Now you'll notice that I used a paper clip that I opened up to hold my lid open, and that way I can adjust the lid so I can direct that sunlight into the box. I covered that opening with some plastic wrap, and I used some tape that I had to tape that plastic wrap nice and to seal it nicely so that no little bugs get into my food. And the sunlight can actually travel through that plastic wrap and transmit the heat to cook your food. Now on the inside of the box, I used a black to-go container. But you need something black. The reason that you want something black, and it could be construction paper if you happen to have that, just line the bottom of the box with something black, and then around the sides of the box roll up some newspaper to insulate the box, or some kind of paper, recycled paper. Roll it up to add some extra insulation around the edges to keep the heat inside to cook your sandwich, maybe a grilled cheese sandwich, or your nachos, your nachos with cheese, or perhaps your Samora. So now you have your solar oven ready for the weekend. All you'll have to do is open it up and put your food inside, then be sure you close it back up and let the food cook. It's going to take a little longer than it would take in a real oven that uses electricity or gas, but it's going to be pretty cool because while you're outside you can be exploring while your food is cooking. So have fun, enjoy your weekend.